Aray ko.
Sa tingin mo, personally, sa inyong dalawa, bakit sa Philippines yung culture ng pagiging old maid? Or, oo, bakit masyado
Pero
mas
actually
madami?
yan, ever since no, pero recently na lang siya break term na.
Ano kasi, I think it's sa pagka-family oriented natin, most family ties. Most of the time, doon natin ibubuhos muna natin, family first. Na yung pang sarili mo almost becomes secondary. Kaya siguro before, yun yung naging trend.
Correct. Tsaka, di ba, ako, I don't know kung if you would agree with me, pero before the term NBSD or no boyfriend sister, di ba before Maria Clara ang tawag niya? Alala ko yun eh, kahit paano. Kasi lang Maria Clara, di ba na, you know, you are a lady na walang bahay, walang napaka-inosente, youthful, yung gano'n. So,
May kanta nga yun yung mga rainmakers, di ba?
Hindi naman,
Yung nakaakot, wala. Ako lang.
I wouldn't think naman
Hindi
na
ko makarin.
choosy ang mga babae.
Nag-name drop rainmakers.
Single sila, pero nga ba, no?
Maria Clara, kay ganda mo ngayon.
Sa ba ganyan?
Rainmakers,
Oo. Wala, Maria Clara. What was I going to say? Pero ano I guess, parang sa panahon ngayon, ang hirap na maging NBSD ka. Hindi siya by choice.
Everyone
diba?
is so
Kasi
connected.
Everyone is so connected with social media and the internet na parang it's so easy to meet people, yung ganyan. Tapos, diba, ang dali na lang.
Can
go
I just
around and
share what I found charming about the whole concept, actually in the story of the film, is that statistically nowadays, hindi naman marami makaka-relate sa kasabihang no boyfriend sister. Statistically, not everyone will be going through it. Pero what I found charming and found interesting is that although we may not have gone through it, we can still relate to it kasi in some way, lahat tayo, we've had that kind of unrequited love. At some point in our lives, we've had
tsaka
that
nag-start siya, like si Karina, nag-start siya, yung story mo, start siya sa
high school.
having just a crush, a high school
Like an
crush.
innocent
Iba
crush.
sa atin, iba grade school pa lang. Iba nga sa atin, kinder pa lang, nagkaka-crush na sa teacher, yung mga ganun. So doon talaga nagsisimula yun na we believe everybody will relate to talaga na doon nag-start si Karina, syempre yung kanyang high school crush na si Carlo. Feeling niya, syempre, kapag high school ka, feeling mo true love na yun ganyan, or
Parang preconceived notion na nilagay mo sa isang tao na akala mo yun na yung reason that that's the one for you. Pero yung pala, you don't really know that person. Until you finally get to know that person, who knows, maybe mas compatible pa pala kayo kaysa sa in-expect mo dati. Kaya nga, I kept saying the thing na, okay pala guys, interesting. Sometimes in life, it's like, in life and in love, you don't necessarily have to be in love at the first sight, always fall in love at the first sight. Pero sometimes you can take a second look.